Unlocking the untapped potential of mental imagery in sports is the game really over when you are sitting on your couch? Not really if you have an athlete's mind. Have you ever wondered how mental imagery can help you to enhance your performance? Mental imagery is a cognitive technique in which we use all our senses to create a vivid image or experience in our minds. Our minds have the power to generate a vivid and detailed picture of an imagined or a real scenario. Mental imagery has two functions, a cognitive function and a motivational function. Sports psychologists combine both of these functions to improve an athlete's performance. The cognitive function of imagery involves planning strategies in advance for competitions and games. The motivational functioning of imagery involves experiencing goal attainment and effective coping strategies. It has emerged as a powerful tool in sports psychology and is practiced by many athletes and sportspersons. Mental imagery uses visual and kinesthetic senses to create images and apply them to improve performance. It plays a role in motor learning and the execution of motor movements. Research has proved that mental imagery has the power to improve performance, reduce anxiety, improve concentration, and enhance self-confidence. Mental imagery involves an internal image where individuals visualize themselves performing a specific activity, as well as an external image where they look at a third person performing an activity. Mental imagery is not just a theoretical concept, it has a scientific and neuroscience basis. A psychoneuromuscular theory, for instance, posits that the muscular patterns observed during mental imagery are similar to those seen during actual physical activity. A research study that explored the activation of brain areas involved during mental imagery found that frontal parietal control areas, such as the anterior frontal cortex, dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, and intraparietal sulcus, were highly activated, as well as the occipital temporal visual sensory areas. It has also been found that these brain regions are also involved in perception. Thus, mental imagery has been shown to affect similar processes used in perception. Research has also shown that individuals who use these mental imagery skills are better at performing visual working memory tasks. It is crucial to understand the neurobiological basis of mental imagery as it helps sports psychologists in developing tools and techniques. Functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, studies show activation of the lateral geniculate nucleus and the V1 area of the visual cortex. One study compared the neural structures involved during visual perception with those involved during visual